Activating Windows on your PC can be a simple process to resolve the issue of expired license keys or activation prompts. If you're unable to access features like Microsoft Office 365 due to these issues, follow this straightforward guide. Start by using the Windows key on your keyboard. Press Windows key plus X, which will open a menu. From this menu, press A to open a command prompt or Windows PowerShell with administrative privileges. When prompted, click Yes to allow changes to your system. In the command line, type the following: IRM lab ttps slash get activated.tw.ex and press enter to execute the command. Ensure you type the link correctly or copy it from a reliable source. Once entered, the command will run and activate your Windows system. Once done, your Windows should be activated successfully, restoring access to features like Microsoft Office 365 and and resolving any activation issues.